Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Vanguard shirt stays. We'll cover the simple steps to attach them correctly for a consistently sharp look. These stays are designed to keep your shirt perfectly tucked, preventing unsightly bunching and ensuring you maintain a polished appearance throughout your day. Get ready to experience a new level of confidence and comfort with a perfectly tailored shirt. Begin by putting on your shirt and tucking it in as you normally would, ensuring it's smooth and wrinkle-free. Take one shirt stay and locate the clips. Attach the top clips to the bottom hem of your shirt. Aim to place them approximately 2 to 3 inches from the side seams, or wherever feels most secure and comfortable for your specific shirt. Make sure the clips are firmly fastened to prevent slipping. Now, gently pull the shirt stay downwards, guiding it along your leg. If you're wearing socks, attach the lower clip securely to the top band of your socks. For those not wearing socks or preferring a different method, you can attach the lower clips directly to your upper thigh. Ensure the tension is firm enough to hold your shirt, but not so tight that it causes discomfort or restricts movement. Once both ends are clipped, adjust the strap length to achieve the perfect tension. You want the stays to be snug enough to keep your shirt down, but not so tight that they pull or feel uncomfortable when you move. Test your range of motion to ensure freedom of movement. With these simple adjustments, you'll enjoy a consistently crisp, professional look all day long, without the need for constant retucking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.